Hey everyone, Kelly with Mobile Speed Screens here. Today I wanted to show you a product that I really appreciate. This is what we call Solar Screen. This in particular is 80% UV blockage. It is made by Suntex in the black, obviously. Um, the way we're installing this particular screen is we're going to install it on the outer portion of the window. So we're going to face mount it. We're going to use a commercial grade Velcro. And there are different options to do the installation, but in this case, that's what we're doing. You can use swivel clamps to hold the screen in place. You can also screw the screen in place. It's just a little bit more permanent if you do that. In this case, we're using 1-inch window screen frame. It's really good, really strong. You can see the durability is really good with this screen. Uh, let's see, reasons why we want to use this Suntex 80%. Being in Southern California, being in the Encinitas area or San Diego area, we get a coastal breeze. This still allows for the breeze to come through the window. When you go with the higher UV blockage, so they do offer 85, 90, 95, 100%, you actually lose airflow. So we do, typically this is what we do on our trucks. We use this for many reasons other than sunshade. We have it actually offers a lot of benefits to as far as it can be used for pet screen. It can be used to stop cats or dogs from scratching your mesh. It can be used for saving your furniture. So if the sun's beating through the window, you can actually save your furniture from fading and your wood floors that you probably spent a lot of money on. One of the biggest reasons actually why we're getting a lot of the calls these days is to protect artificial turf. A lot of people are spending thousands and thousands of dollars on their new artificial turf, their yards, and the newer windows actually have a UV protection on them or a film on them. And what's happening is the sun is reflecting off of the window. It's reflecting back towards the turf, and it's so hot because it's magnified that it leaves lines or it melts the turf. So a lot of people are kind of calling us with a fire drill of, hey, our turf's melting, can you help us? This is what we have. We can cover the full window and protect your turf within days after you call. A couple things that people ask us, we hear it quite often, is are you able to see through the 80% solar screen? It's a little bit deceiving, I think, from this video that you're going to see, but it actually, for a couple different reasons, offers protection, I guess, or what am I looking for? It gives you a little bit of privacy if you're standing outside the house and you're looking into a dark house. This will actually cover your window and protect you and give you a little bit of privacy. But when you're standing inside the house and you're looking outside the house, I want to show you the difference. So as you can see, you don't lose much. Of course, you will notice that the screen's there versus the regular stuff. Uh, but it is still really good vision. When you're looking out into the big picture, you can see all the way outside with a lot of visibility. So it's great for that reason. You know, you are getting a little bit of protection or privacy, but you're also still keeping a good picture when you're looking outside. So if you have any questions, we have a lot of different options as far as the product. We do have, just to show you one, for example, there's different colors of mesh you can choose from. This, in this case, where this is a stucco color, we have a bronze color, we have a white, all really good options. We typically do this. It's just kind of what you're going for. We have different frame colors as well, and we can mix and match. We can always show you products. So if you have any questions and you want to see some samples, feel free to call us or go to our website and you can see some pictures, mobilespeedscreens.com. Be happy to hear from you. Thanks.